Hi everyone, good morning, good day, whatever it is for you, and thank you very much for being here. My name is Maria and I would like to discuss some new trading situations. You know that I trade Forex, I trade stock, I trade gold, I trade indexes, I trade everything that is good to trade. And even the cryptocurrencies, it's something that I really like right now, but not for trading like daily. I like to find some entry point and to wait for the result. Sometimes it's not good, but that's something that we work with the statistical information for. I mean that I have some like cliches. I have some forms that I use to trade, and this is some technical picture that I put on any graph and any chart, and when it's beautiful, when I see that here's an entry point, I just buy it. That's how we work with, I don't know, with the Tesla, with the Bitcoin, with the Ethereum, also the brand, the gold, the silver, the Great Britain pound with the Japanese yen. So I know that people who watch me, they don't have a lot of possibilities to trade Forex, unfortunately. So that's why we should discuss mostly indexes, also stock market and gold brand. But for those who have an opportunity to trade Forex, I also will talk about Forex in the end of this video. So if you like what I do for you, you go through my videos and you think that this is cool and it works for you, you are welcome to press those thumbs up and stay here with me. And also I have Instagram, Telegram channel. Please be with me and find it online. It's Maria Forex Stock for Instagram, and all the links are here under the video. Now we'll go to technical pictures. I usually like to show what I see and to explain why I see it like that. Here you will find Ethereum right now. This is the 4-hour chart for Ethereum, and you know all my targets. If you are here with me for many days, for many weeks and months, you know my targets for Ethereum, and we are there right now. So I gave you the target that was like 4,180, and that was the last point. Even yesterday when I was sitting in a restaurant with my friends with a beautiful view, and they're all cryptocurrency traders, and they were discussing like, okay, should we close it or should not? And all this was happening in the end of the day. So what I can tell you right now, it was a good idea to fix your profit near this 4,100, this 4,170 area. But after that, you can see that they gave a good correction. So there were a lot of people who just pressed, like fix button. That's it. We just fixed the profit. What happens after that? The price goes down really fast because this is the reaction for a good level, good technical level that I showed you in my previous videos. And it's going down. How far does it go? It goes straight to 200 moving average. You know this video, how to choose stocks? I made a video for you, and you can go through this video to watch it, how I pick stocks easily, not with the difficulties. So for Ethereum, for currencies, for indexes, it works the same. Price went down step by step with a 200 moving average. Look here, it's going down and it breaks 200 moving average on 30-minute chart. How far does it go? You open 1-hour chart and 200 moving average, and you can see that price is right here. It's trying to touch it, to hit it, and it's going up, so it gives you a rebound. And what would be our next target, and what it can be under 200 moving average on 1-hour chart? It will be this one, 200 moving average on 4-hour chart. This is something that I'm going to repeat for you all the time. So what we do right now with my traders, some of them want to close positions, and I want to tell you that above 3,800 area, it is still okay to wait. Let me show you for a huge target, 4,800. I can't tell you that it's going to be like that. I can't tell you that right now this is a good entry point for that. But above this area, 3,800, while price is being above that area, it's still okay to wait and to have such an opportunity to buy with the target 4,800 that high. How did I found this target? Look here. We take into account all the upgoing tendency, all the upgoing wave for this instrument, and we take the Fibonacci levels. So this is the last price that we had yesterday, and if we go to see that they are trying to give you a break of this level, the next target with the Fibonacci levels is 4,800. So those are only Fibonacci levels that I use all the time. What I go through, what I check, like right now I'm following this level. You can see it is like 4,000 in the morning today for my Russian speaking traders. I was making a huge video also and explaining what's going on with Ethereum. So you need to understand that all those inflation risks, all those, all those people being afraid of inflation risks, you can see that Cooper has been really high and expensive. You can see that Brent has been really high and expensive, corn really high, and any product that you go through is really high because of people who are afraid that there is no opportunity to buy it more in the future due to COVID and prices going up. People keep buying it. So countries, like small countries who produce these products, they are in a huge profit, and it is really good, I would say, because all the small economics, they could make a huge problem to whole financial world. And right now, when they will earn some money because of all those expensive prices, we can understand that world economy is going to be stable. This is good. So the monetary fund is not in need to give money to anyone who needs it, because economics work. If you take into account small countries who produce all those corns and so on, they feel good right now, and the currencies will not fall. So this is a totally good situation. But inflation risks, all those scary things, make Nasdaq go down right now. They make like funds to cut the positions to fix profit, and it means that from one side money go out and they need to go somewhere. They may go to cryptocurrencies, because cryptocurrencies, no matter what is going on in Turkey, no matter what we hear about all these regulatory things for cryptocurrency market, that there is volatility. There is a huge volatility, there is a huge need from people to buy something, and they put money into cryptocurrencies with the, like being really crazy, I would say, like that. So you can understand that people will keep buying cryptocurrencies. It means that it will still give you good volatility. Due to this information, due to these thoughts, I feel okay to keep my long positions for these instruments. But it doesn't mean that I'm gonna open a lot of new ones. I'm just gonna keep my eye on this level 3,800. If they will try to break it, I just will quit. It's not a huge difference. 4,100 or it's 3,800. It's not a huge difference, but it's much better to fix your profit if they start to go down. Right now, they're trying to show that here is still an opportunity to go up, but if they will become weak, please be ready to wait for some correction and after that enter market. All the cryptocurrency situation will depend on indexes, American indexes. You can see that from the highest level for Nasdaq, they went down 5%. You can see about the Dow Jones that they got my profit 35,000. I told you to buy from 34,000 to 35,000. You can go through previous videos and you will see my targets where I told you to buy and where it went directly to 35,000, and I made this level as a target one due to Fibonacci levels. So if you take into account S&P 500, they are right now giving us a good sell signal, but it's still not it. They're trying to show you sell signal because they reached our profit target. Yes, price is there. This is very good. What's going on next? They give us a sell signal with a candlestick information. One day is small and white and second one is big and black. So they are giving us a good sell signal. Why I don't like it? Because they still did not renew the previous minimum and there is still an upgoing tendency. If you take into account the whole upgoing tendency from the last year, it's still there. So this is not a sell signal, which is a really good one. And if it's not going down, for example, something happens, someone tells us something like we're not afraid of inflation because of something. This will mean that all the indexes will try to go higher. And for S&P 500, this will be like 4,375. For Dow Jones, They have a huge target, actually, 38,000, but I don't believe that right now because they got a really good profit. And I would believe that they just stay in a little range here, around the highest prices in the world for them, but they will just stay in a range without making you a huge new maximum price. And for Nasdaq, if it's all good, they will try to go up to 14,000 again, but I wouldn't believe that actually because they really look like they want to go to give us a huge correction. So I would say that all those technology giants like Tesla, the Apple, the Google, and also all those technology giants may be a huge problem for us right now because they're getting cheaper and markets don't want to believe them, they don't want to buy it. So for Nasdaq, I feel like this is not the best instrument to trade right now. We gotta stay away, stay far from it. About DAX, yes, it's also going down, so I'm not okay to buy it right now, and I would ask you not to go into the market. For Nikkei, I told you yesterday, the day before, and last week, and the week before, I told you to stay away and wait. Give them time. You just need to give them time to rest and to give a correction, and after that, we will enter market, will go up. We will find an entry point, but not right now. If you trade CFD, this is a good opportunity to trade down, but I don't like that, so I'm waiting for a good buy signal, and it's not here yet. For gold, we can discuss gold because it's going up to 1,880. I can show you a good tendency that takes beginning in 2020, and it was going down, 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 and now price is going up to 1,880, which is the dot where they will test this tendency. So yeah, right now I feel like this is still a good idea to buy it. About silver, you know my position. I'm still in long. I'm still buying it, and my target is like 27,000, 27.90, like this, 27.90. If you feel okay, put like 28 target. Right now, I feel like this is the right idea because they are in upgoing tendency. They have this support and still they are not ready to go down. If they break all those supports like 27, 20 area, they break down. So this will be a good entry point for short positions, but right now there is still an upgoing tendency and I keep buying it. Okay, so we should discuss Brent as well and maybe Bitcoin. For Bitcoin, I collaborate with the different journals from different magazines, and what they say is like they are waiting for some hit for Bitcoin, and from my point of view, this hit is the market in America and all those indexes and inflation risks, because if they will fix all profits for indexes, people will put money into Bitcoin, and I'm waiting for them to break like this area, maybe 60 area. Well, if they break the 60 area, I feel like they will go up to 74 area, but only above the 60 area. Right now, I don't feel like buying. Only if they test this area right here, I may discuss long positions with you, but not right now. Or from 40 area or above 60 area, but not right now. For Ethereum, yeah, right now they're trying to go down, but like I keep watching. It's not a problem. I keep watching because market needs to breathe all the time. Like it's going down and up and down. And well, I will watch this area. So now we can go. Now we can go to see Brent and a little bit of Forex. So yeah, this is the Brent oil, and there are a lot of information in media that they're saying like, oh, all those cyber situation in America, it's a sell signal for Brent. No, it's not yet. Above 68 area, they still will test 70 area. Please be ready for that. You can see all those shadows on the bottom side. You can see that with your eyes. It means that market is still okay to go up. There is still now a good reason to go down. But it doesn't mean that I'm going to buy right now. Only above 68 area will go to 70. And if they break the 67 area, this will mean that we have an opportunity to go down and sell. Right now, market is a little bit boring for us. So we discussed gold, we discussed Brent. Let's go through euro, because euro is going up to 122.50 area. It's still, and above this area. You can see it with your eyes. Here is a level of resistance. Above this level of resistance, they will go up to 122.50. For Great Britain pound, you remember my picture. Above 40, I told you to buy up to 42. Right now it's 141.30, so you are in profit, I hope, and here still target 142. For Great Britain pound with the Japanese yen, I have target 155, and it's going there, so we are still okay for that. For Great Britain pound with the Canadian dollar, I still don't see a good entry point, so we keep away from that. For Canadian dollar, my congratulations with all the profits, but pay attention, there is no buy signal yet for this currency pair. There are a lot of traders who write me like, oh, are you ready to buy? Is it going up? No, it's not going up. No, it's not. So please be ready that they still may give you volatility near this area, and they will try to decide what to follow, the statistical information from Canada or the oil market. So you can see that oil market is being boring. If it goes up, the Brent goes up, USD Canadian dollar will go down. But if Brent goes down, they will sell it. Being honest, yes, I'm gonna sell only under 63 area. So if they will go down, USD Canadian dollar will go up. Yeah, for Brent, I feel like good if they go under 63 area. Okay, so we talked enough, and I would like you to remember that I have all those videos, and I hope that you trade with the profits, and I have all those videos for you just to help with an idea what I trade, what other people trade, what I think for the market, and what I see as a target and why I see it as a target. This is something I want to bring to you, an idea that there are technical rules that you can use and trade. Thank you very much for your attention. Stay with me, and of course join my Instagram channel, Telegram channel, and stay here on YouTube. Press those fingers. Bye bye. See you later.